how do we reconcile how someone is based on upbringing and the ongoing capacity to choose? So this is a struggle that all supervisors, managers have, that we can get really frustrated with the people we work with, because surely they could do things a little more faster, a little more efficiently, a little more effectively. People have their limitations, and we try to communicate what we clearly want. Despite our clear communication, sometimes the person may not know how to go about doing things. Then we demonstrate it for them. And even then, they may be unwilling or they may be having a bad day. Well, that's why you are the boss, because the buck stops with you. Okay? So we have to learn some patience and accommodation. Of course, if the person continues to be incompetent, then the person has to go. There's no other way. But it is an opportunity for our growth and also for the other person's growth. And we have to do that. We have to work with people. It's okay to get angry. See, sometimes if a person is not being efficient or effective, then it's very natural to get irritated, because you expected some things to be done. So you work with what is and help the person to become effective. Because recognize that that person is not in your position and therefore does not know what you know, does not think the way you think. And so we need patience. At the same time, we need to be very clear with what is expected. A lot of times bosses are not clear because they think, oh, it's so simple, that person should just do it and that's it. No. And also give specific feedback. And it's okay, you have to be a little patient with yourself, that yeah, you get irritated and then you just move to another task. It's okay, it's not a big deal. Like we have to remember how we were when we were just starting out. We was also struggling, the other person is struggling, it's okay. Like I've had this, I don't know whether it was an opportunity or what. I've had to fire so many people in my life. So I would often wonder, is it my level of efficiency is very high? And then of course I would think through it, and like leading an organization earlier. So, articulating what people should do, ensuring they have enough opportunities for learning and growth, and any other help that they need, ensuring they are willing, they are able, all of that, and still people would not perform. Some people, of course, were exceptional, but some people just... So then you have to say, well, I'm not going to compromise our mission, which is, very strategic selection of organizations that work with street children. I'm not going to compromise that, and if you have to go, so be it, goodbye, I wish you well, I'll give you a good recommendation letter, that's it, So as a leader, you also have to be able to take tough decisions. You have to see, how everything fits in.